Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. So today we are going to be doing some close-up swatches with this beautiful, I can't even get it in frame, it's that big. Let me get it back. With this beautiful Glamlite cake palette that my friend Karen sent to me for Christmas. I've been itching to do some close-up swatches with this. We will get around to using it eventually. But yeah, I mean, for now, we're just going to do the swatches and see how they perform, what my first impressions are, as usual. I love the packaging. Like, I know a lot of you guys get rid of, like, bulky packaging like this, but I just can't bring myself to do it. So yeah, it comes in very bulky packaging. So let's take it out and let's just put this on my bed. Again, I mean, how adorable is that packaging, guys? Now, I'm going to be honest, I did swatch the yellows when I got the palette at Christmas, so I kind of know how they look. I mean, how could I not? I mean, I love yellow eyeshadow. So you're getting a really nice big mirror. Let's swatch. Let's do the swatch party, guys. So we're going in with banana first. Look at it, guys. That's stunning. And the sparkly as well. I've never tried Glamlite before in my life. Beauty Boxes by Tammy has got a palette for sale on her website. And I can't remember what it's called, but it looks really nice. It's one of the round ones. I'll leave it in the video and you can tell me what your thoughts are on it if you've got it in your collection, if you do collect Glamlite palettes, that is. Next we have pineapple. Really, really nice. Yellow matte. Then we've got strawberry. Yeah, that's another shimmer. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I must not have swatched that on Christmas Day. That is stunning. And they're not the kind of shades that I go for at all, but I absolutely love that one. Then we have lavender. Again, another stunning one. Right, so with these close-up swatches, a lot of these palettes are palettes that I got for Christmas. I don't know what you're going to want to see, but if you see something that I don't pull out, like for Shop My Stash, and you'd like to see it, please just leave me a comment down below. I want to film the videos that you want me to film. So yeah, this is why sometimes I'll go onto my community tab and I'll just put... Right, I don't know where that cut off, but I'll start again. So what I was saying is, all these palettes that I've been swatching recently are palettes that I got for Christmas. Again, if you've not seen what I got for Christmas, I'll leave it in the cards so you can go and check it out. You might see a palette there that you'd like to know what my thoughts are on it, and you might want me to do some looks with it. So if you want to go and check that out, or if you just see something like when I'm doing close-up swatches and you think, oh, I wouldn't mind seeing you do 3 days 3 looks with that palette, please just leave it in the comments down below. I want to film the eyeshadow tutorials that you want to see, and with me having that community tab, it makes it easier to kind of ask you. But I've got that many eyeshadow palettes at the moment, new ones, that I just don't know what to use. I mean, I guess I could put like 4 options on there and you could choose from it, so I could do that. But what I'm saying is, if I don't choose the option that you want, then just leave me a comment with the palette that you would like to see, and I'm more than happy to do looks with it. So we've got guava next. Another beautiful shade. I've already said I love the shimmers. Right, and then we've got peach. It looks, oh my gosh, it's so bright. I wouldn't say that's peach. It looks more like coral red. Right, and they must be pressed pigments because they're starting to stain my fingers. Then we've got cranberry. That's cranberry. Then we've got oob. That's that one there. And then we've got purple frost. These mattes, I'm patchy on my arm up here, as I say in every single close-up swatch video, but these mattes are blending out like a dream, guys. Right, third row we've got carrot. Oh my gosh, I love that shade. Then we've got raspberry. Then we've got red velvet. So these are pretty much all mattes now on this middle row. Then we've got icy mint. Some of these shades are a bit scary, like the red for sure is a bit scary for me. That red there and this one here. I know they say that's peach, but I wouldn't call that peach. Colourpop Baby got peaches, peach. And then we've got the Dulce de Leche. I don't think you pronounce it like that, but I do. So that's that one. Then we have cinnamon, another beautiful shade. Then we have chocolate. Then we have blue raspberry. So that little trio there would look really nice together. Look how blue it is. I mean, of course it's going to be blue, it's blue raspberry, but that's blue raspberry. And then we've got key lime, which is the last one in the palette. Oh my gosh, look how green that is. It's practically fluorescent. So that's all the swatches from the palette. They are beautiful, especially the shimmers. The mattes blend out really, really well. And what you've got to think about really is, I'm really dry on my arm up here and they look absolutely stunning. I mean, that red's a little bit patchy there, but that's probably my swatch, and then the brown is a little bit patchy. But yeah, they're probably my swatches on my arms. But yeah, I am so looking forward to using this palette like I am the rest that I got for Christmas. So guys, again, that's the palette. They're the swatches, absolutely stunning. Again, let me know if you've got this palette, let me know what your thoughts are on it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.